Now, let me give you a quick overview of how I've structured this course so you can get the most out of it. This course is the first part of my complete C++ series. Each part is about 3 to 4 hours long, so you can easily complete it in a day or two. In the first part, which is the one you're watching, we explore the basics. In this part, you will learn the fundamentals of programming in C++, data types, decision-making statements, loops, and functions. Now, throughout the course, I'm going to give you plenty of exercises to help you develop your problem-solving skills and build your confidence in writing code. In fact, many of these exercises are popular interview questions. In the second part, we'll explore intermediate level concepts such as arrays, pointers, strings, structures, enumerations, and streams. And finally, in the last part, we'll be talking about the advanced concepts such as classes, exceptions, templates, containers, and more. So by the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of C++ and you'll be ready to apply it in real life. For example, if you want to build games with Unreal Engine, which is a popular gaming engine, you will have the necessary C++ skills to build games. You just need to learn about Unreal Engine. So I hope you'll stick around and master C++, one of the fastest and most efficient programming languages available.